Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up? So today I am going to make a little brake cleaning. So in this episode you will see me doing some I'm not changing the brakes, but I'm just cleaning them. Yeah, just rubbing with some sandpaper a little bit so they have a better grip, and just to take off all the rust which has possibly collected in over time. And yes, I did already an oil change and whole maintenance of the car a few days ago. So today I'm filming it because I'm doing it all on my own. Yes, so I have also, I don't know if you know that, but I just have DIY'd some brake system collector. So you can, they're just a bottle with a hole in it and some line just to collect it. So that's for that. So I already have taken off the wheel and the brake pads, also the brake disc, and the I don't know how you tell this in English. I will just pop up the English word for that. So it's very easy. You have 4 screws, 2 big ones, 2 small ones. I'm going to explain it. So the brake pad, the first thing you have to loosen up is these 2 bolts. I will show you on the front because the front I didn't already put down. Sorry, I was not very prepared to make a video today, so I just went YOLO and start working, and then I remember maybe I should make a video about it. So that's why I already have done most of the part for this wheel, but I have 3 more to do. So you will show you little extracts of every little step, so it's more entertaining for you than for me. So these also are brake pads. So it's very important that, because you have 2 ones, the one with circular mark is the one which goes inside, because the piston, which is just over here, you see it round 2. And that's because of when you brake, this piston just push out and it push here on. So that is the mark where this one goes. And a tip I can give you: never collect all things, just put them near the brake so you know where the right one is. So just remember, for every GT owner, this is a 2-system brake, because we have here the one on the outside with the brake pads and here, and also we have the brakes inside like this, which goes outside and pressure on this brake surface. Yes, so it's a bit trickier to get these brakes, or the rear brakes, out. So now we are on the step where I have cleaned this with all the rust. I have sandpapered it. So now I have removed all the grease, sand it down so it looks a little bit more shiny. Also took all the grease of these lock nuts, because you don't want to have any source of grease on these ones. The reason is, if you tighten them up with the Newton meters, you will be able to go more than you need with grease, and it won't be the right Newton meters. So don't put grease on them. Zinc spray, I'm going to spray this inside of that. And I have also some grease. This is only and just only for here around, and just use a little bit, don't use too much. If you have a company of brake cleaner and you want to sponsor me, just go for it. I have my brake pads here. I'm going just to clean free these edges there, and all around. So it just looks like this. It's nice and clean, you can see through. That's what you want. That's for the brake pads, which I recommend you just take a brush at first and just scrub it until it's shiny. So that's this one, and you can see the difference. Here is all black and it is nice shiny. Just a few seconds with this brush, you just go right in every inch like this. You will wiggle a little bit, you see, and then you go under there. So people, now that it is clean, I just have sprayed it with some zinc spray, and then you just have to put that back again in the right position and just make sure to press every inch down. Also make sure to check if these two are going out and in like that. So now that it is all cleaned and all the metal is back in place, you put it again like it was, so it only will fit in one way. So now I just put in the back in the pads. What you just have to care about is that you can wiggle them right into the position right up here and right up there. You just have to slide in there. You put it a little bit sideways at first and then you push it inside. So now the only thing it's missing now is just to put back this one, and there you have to make sure that this cable here, the brake line, is not twisted. Just it's straight, that's good. So you can put it in on these two things. So that is how it should look like. Back in. Here is the screw. There is the screw right there, right here. There's my finger. And you should still be able to move it a little bit in the front, in the back.